lovelies, welcome to my channel. My name is Naturally DC, and in today's video we are going to make a stretch mark cream that we can use to erase our stretch marks. But before we get into the video, please, if this is your first time watching my video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe and share to your friends. My already subscribers, I say thank you for your motivation and keeping me going. So in today's video we are going to use extra virgin olive oil. This extra virgin, the one that is dark in color, and those that we have here is the peels of a fresh plantain. That is the peel, which I allowed it to dry, then I grounded it in powder. Yes, so that's the main ingredient that we are using for today's video. And we need shea butter, the one that is white in color, the original, and this is our raw cocoa butter, and we need our empty container. So I'm going to start out by putting all of them into, I think I'm going to leave one. I'm going to cut this into two. Oh my god, shit. I'm going to cut this into two, so I'm going to add this in addition. That's how it becomes when it's solidified after you melt it down. You can apply this cream everywhere that you have your stretch mark, be it on your breast, on your buttocks, at your back. And I'm going to go ahead and add my plantain back, and then I will add on all of this. So on this process, I'm going to use the double boiler method. I'm going to put this one I have here in hot water, or let's say boiling water, for it to boil for some time or melt down for some time, then I'll take it off. So please stay tuned. Alright guys, so this is how my melted ingredient looks like. At this stage that we have gotten to is optional. To make the thing or your stretch mark cream smells very good, I'm going ahead to add rosemary, and rosemary is also very good for the skin. I'm adding a few drops of rosemary in it. Because of the cocoa butter that is in, it's going to take up to 3 days for it to be very solid. So what we have to do is, if you want a quicker way of doing it or hardening it, just have to allow it to cool down and put it in the fridge for just some few hours, then you take it off. You apply it in the morning and in the afternoon after you've taken your shower. Right, thanks for watching.